What if the Roman Empire never collapsed? How different would our world look today? The Roman Empire stretched across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. At its peak, it controlled over 60 million people. But in the 5th century, it collapsed, leaving behind ruins and changing the course of history. If Rome had survived, Western civilization might have advanced centuries earlier. We could have seen industrial revolutions, global trade, and even space exploration much sooner. Latin might still be the world's dominant language. Christianity might not have spread the way it did. And democracy as we know it might look very different. Technology, too. Roman engineering was advanced, with aqueducts, roads, and concrete. Imagine if that innovation never stopped evolving. We could be living in a world of mega cities built on Roman design. But a never-fallen Rome wouldn't be perfect. It was also an empire of slavery, inequality, and constant wars. So instead of freedom and democracy, the world might be ruled by emperors and dynasties. The borders of the modern world would be unrecognizable. Nations like France, Germany, or even the United States might never have existed. Imagine opening your phone today and instead of English, your apps, messages, and internet were all in Latin. Imagine modern skyscrapers designed like Roman temples, or cars driving on endless Roman roads. So while Rome's fall reshaped history, its survival might have created a very different world. But here's another question. What if World War II had ended differently?